One day, I woke up and I have this one crazy question in my mind since I was a kid, but still never had an answer. I went to the toilet room to drop some shitty bombs, and my brain said, where does the water go after you flush the toilet?
Or clean the sink in your home.
And because of that, I look on the internet and search for it. And this is what I discovered.
Every day, every hour, and every minute, the toilets are flushing, sinks are draining, washing machines are washing, showers are spraying, and even dishwashers are cleaning. Millions of people are using water in homes or in schools and create sewage. Most of us makes around
162 of liters of sewage a day.
The key to understand more of this is to know what is sewage system.
To put it simply, sewage system is a way in disposing of sewage. Sewage water travels through pipes that flush the water and waste towards local sewers that are operated and managed by the city or town. Most sewer systems rely on gravity to move the wastewater to where it needs to go. 99% of sewage is just dirty water. The rest is made up of solids, chemicals, nutrients, nasties, and some items that should not be in the sewage network. Furthermore, there is no new water ever made. The same water just keeps being used, cleaned, and treated over and over again.
How sewage system works.
When wastewater is flushed or drained away from your house, it enters a huge maze of pipes that connect your house to a wastewater treatment facility. The sewage is pumped from homes and buildings through pipes that transfer the waste to filters that separate large objects from the sewage water. Then, muddy, sandy, and smaller materials settle in a grit chamber. Sewage then flows into tanks where solids in the wastewater will separate into sludge and water. Next, the sewage water transfers to the treatment plant. The remaining water is disinfected and filtered into local lakes and oceans. Also, the remaining sludge is processed to turn into fertilizers. There are 8 stages of the wastewater process: bar screening, primary clarifier, aeration, secondary clarifier, chlorination, water analysis, effluent disposal. Stage 1, bar screening. The treatment and reclamation of wastewater or any water that has been used in households such as flushing toilets, washing dishes, or bathing, as well as some water from industrial usage on storm sewers, should begin with the assumption that it will be safe enough to re-enter the atmosphere after it has been cleaned. Stage 2, screening. To avoid damage to pumps and machinery downstream, fine grit that makes its way into the effluent must be removed. This grit, which is too small to be screened out, must be separated from the grit chamber. Stage 3, primary clarifier. Organics or sludge settle at the bottom of the tank are pumped to a sludge digester or sludge processing area, where they are dried and hauled away. The settling rates of the clarifier are a crucial indicator of how well it is working. The operator can change the settling speed and performance by adjusting the flow rate into the clarifier. Stage 4, aeration. To promote ammonia to nitrate conversion and provide oxygen for bacteria to propagate and develop, air is pumped into the aeration tank or basin. Stage 5, secondary clarifier. To allow any residual organic sediment to settle out of the treated water flow, treated wastewater is pumped into a secondary clarifier. Stage 6, chlorination. Chlorine is added to kill any remaining bacteria in the contact chamber. Stage 7, water analysis and testing. To comply with the plant's National Pollutant Discharge Elimination System permit, testing for the proper pH level, ammonia, nitrates, phosphates, dissolved oxygen, and residual chlorine levels is necessary. Stage 8. Effluent disposal. After meeting all permit specifications, clean water is reintroduced into the environment.
Why is it important to know the process of sewage system?
Every year, thousands of children still die and suffer from diseases due to poor sanitation. With this, it is crucial to know the process of sewage system and the benefits that we get from it. Sewers are extremely important components of urban infrastructure that help in keeping the urban environment safe from flooding, which prevents the spread of waterborne diseases. Without proper treatment, sewage can significantly impact health and our environment. Furthermore, maintenance of a sewage system ensures that you save money by not having to repair or replace the system repeatedly. Also, by maintaining a proper sewage system, the transmission of waterborne diseases is prevented and thus preserve the quality of water supplies. That being said, each homeowner must take care for their home sewerage system. This will be a benefit for the individual and for the community as a whole. If the sewage system has been adequately constructed and is maintained, then it will provide treatment of water for the long term.